Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to make another really fast and really simple Christmas wreath. Y'all have been asking for fast wreaths to make, and I'm trying to come up with all that I can. But anyway, hold tight, and I'm going to show you how to make this one. All right, y'all, let us get started. First off, what you're going to need, some of this off-the-hook glitz yarn. This is from Line Brand Yarns, and I got this at Joann's. Actually, I think everything here came from Joann's. But anyway, you need some of this yarn. Now, you can use whatever brand you want, but I like this because if you can see up close, it's got like all these little sparkly doohickeys in it. So that's why I like it. You're going to need one of these styrofoam wreath frames. This is 10 inches. And you're also going to need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So first off, let's open this up. And basically all that we're going to do is we're going to start hot gluing this yarn all the way around our wreath frame. Let's take this and just hold it down there. And I'm just going to hold that in place until that can set up. But anyway, let's take a look at my jewelry. Isn't it nice? Christmas is coming up, so you need to start thinking about what you're going to get for gifts. And at $5 each, paparazzi is really awesome. So anyway, check the description box down below. I'll have a link that says paparazzi. Click on that, and then click on the link that says shop, and it'll take you to where you can buy some stuff. But anyway, I'm just wrapping this around like so, and you're going to do this all the way around the entire frame. Alrighty, so this is what I'm doing here. I wanted to stop and show you exactly what I'm doing here. I have left this little bit here. Now, what I have packed all of this yarn, I packed it really tightly up here. I could have spread it out and covered the whole thing. I could have, but here's the thing. I'm going to be attaching some greenery, and I'm going to be attaching a bow and all kinds of stuff. And I have used this type of yarn before on a big wreath. And it's fine on a bigger wreath, but this wreath is very small. It's very compact. And once we start adding in on this greenery and stuff, it's going to get bulky real fast down here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do instead is I have some of this other fuzzy yarn. See how it doesn't have the big loops on it? And I think that's going to hold my bird in place better here in a minute. Whereas if we try to glue the bird to this loopy stuff, it's not going to hold it very well, and it's not going to be very stable. So this is just blanket yarn. You can also get this at Joann's. I got glue all over me. Joann's, Walmart also carries it. So for just this little piece down here at the bottom, I'm going to be wrapping it with this. It's still white. It's the same color. It's just, I think it's just going to be a lot more stable for everything that we're adding on. But anyway, I just wanted to take a minute and show you that. I'm going to finish and come back. All right, so we're done. You see, it's still white. It's still fuzzy, but it's going to be a lot better when we glue this little bird on. But anyway, now let's start putting on some of this greenery. So this also came from Joann's. And let's see, I got a handful because they were on sale. But actually, I think I really only want to use 2. I think 2 is going to be plenty. See if we can get everything positioned here. Where did my bow go? Well, I'm halfway through making my bow. So let's see about how wide this bow is, and that's going to determine how far apart I put my greenery. And y'all see me make this bow before. I'm going to link to the bow video down in the description box, and I'll also pin a comment. But this is the no tie bow. Let's see about how wide that's going to be. So let's bring this up, and let's bring that up. Like so, because I don't want my bow to be squished. So that looks good right there. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stick it down with a little bit of hot glue, but I'm also going to use this floral wire here to wire it down. So I don't want to move it because I just got everything into place exactly where I want it. So let's put just a little bit of glue to hold it down so that nothing moves while I'm wiring it down. All right, now let's wait for that glue to set up. Alrighty, so I've got that glued down. As you can see, I used that wire, you see here, and I've already cut the ends off of them. Oops, glue string. Wire here and here, just on those 2 places right there. Just bring it around the back and twist it. And then I've trimmed off the ends. But now I have made, oh, Lord, it's everywhere. Okay, now I've made my bow. And this is my no tie bow. Like I said, I'm going to have the link to that video down in the description box. And I will also have it down in the comments. We're just going to glue the bow right here. And that bow is going to cover up all of the little stems here on our greenery. Now, if you want some awesome ribbon, awesome Christmas ribbon, you need to go check out Mel's Crafty Mojo. She has ribbon, she has deco mesh, she has everything that you need to make wreaths. She's got tons of cute Christmas stuff coming out. She's got a ton of cute stuff out now. But anyway, check her out. That link is in the description box and also in a pinned comment. You need to go check her out. That's all I can say. She's got tons of ribbon, wide ribbon, narrow ribbon, all different seasons, lots of holiday stuff. So anyway, I think that has set up. So now we have our little birdie. Where did he come from? He came from Joann's as well. So let's see. What I want to do is, let's move that bow just a tiny bit before that glue sets up. Okay. So now I want this little birdie, I think, to go. Where's he going to go? He's just going to have his butt end this way, I think. So we're just going to put some glue right here. And this flat looking yarn right here, I think that's going to work out a whole lot better than if we had that loopy yarn down there. Because see, I just don't think the little birdie would be sitting, you know, very stable if we had the loopy yarn down there. But anyway, stop stabbing me. I'm just going to hold him here until the glue sets up. I want to shape this a little bit, and then I'm going to call that done. You know, you can put lights on this if you want. Some clear fairy lights I think would be really pretty on here. If I have some, I might throw some on there. I'm not sure if I have any. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you would, give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!